Now, flying off on holiday is one thing, but imagine blasting off for some space tourism. Some say it's only a few years away for the UK, and now a number of locations are vying to build their very own launch pads here. Only one will be chosen, and the successful Spaceport will also be used to launch commercial satellites. Our science correspondent, Palab Ghosh, reports from one of the potential sites in North Wales.
The tranquil North Wales coastline. In a few years' time, tourists could be flocking here to go into space. By 2018, this airfield could be the place that people come to go into orbit. It seems like the stuff of science fiction, but the government really does want to have a launch site for space planes somewhere in the UK. In just a few years, lots of people could be turning up to airports wearing astronaut suits and being sent into orbit. The plan is to convert an existing airfield, such as this one in Llanbedr in North Wales. Space planes could be taking off from this very runway, carrying people and also British-made satellites. The announcement was made this morning at the Farnborough Air Show.
We have the success story of space in the UK already. It's growing. We have new opportunities we want to seize, and one of those opportunities is in space tourism.
There isn't a working space plane yet, but companies are designing them. This one takes off and then fires a spacecraft with tourists into space. And here's another idea, a two-seater for a joyride. And this space plane can take satellites into orbit and then come back to Earth. As well as Llanbedr, there are 7 other potential sites, 1 in England and 6 in Scotland, which has more remote airfields near the sea than any other part of the country.
We could absolutely see ourselves flying out of Scotland, but also we like Newquay. It's a great site for a horizontal takeoff plane like the Lynx.
Satellites will be the first payload for the spaceport. This will be a boost to British space companies such as Surrey Satellite Technology in Guildford. The site for the spaceport will be selected next March, when the UK can begin its long-haul journey into space. Palab Ghosh, BBC News, Llanbedr.
Time for the weather now with Nina Ridge. Hello.
Hi there. So